Hey friends, if you wish to install Google Chat on your computer, then please watch this video now. Trust me, this application does not exist on the Microsoft Store. Just search for Google Chat here and search for it, and you won't find it here. So go to your browser and go to chat.google.com and hit enter. You do not need to log in, just go to this website. It will give you a different link though. Go to it on the Microsoft Edge browser, not any other browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more, select apps, install this app, name it Google Chat and hit enter to install it. You can also check this box to create a desktop icon and click on allow. Now close it, and you can open it directly from the desktop, or you can search for it in the Windows search bar and then open Google Chat from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.